Hi, today we're going to be reading about the Vietnam War, which is right here. We're going to do Monday instead of Wednesday, even though today we are Wednesday, August the 26th, 2020. So remember that this assignment is also on the worksheets that you picked up at school. So if you want to look through them, then switch to the first one. This is where we're going to start, page 133. So go ahead and look for the Vietnam War, and I can read to you, and you can follow. And then you have one question after this. Okay, ready? Vietnam used to be two countries. When Vietnam had a communist government, South Vietnam was not a communist country. People in South Vietnam, called the Viet Cong, wanted communism. The war broke out. The United States entered the war to help keep democracy. The war was hard. Finally, the United States left Vietnam. Vietnam became one country with a communist government. Now, this is your question. Which country helped Vietnam during the war? Circle the right answer. Once you finish, take a picture and send it to me, and I will upload it to Teams. Thank you.